In our previous tutorial, we have added floor to our model, and in this tutorial, we'll be adding the ceiling. To do that, first of all, go to this ceiling plan. From architecture, select ceiling. Now you'll have automatic ceiling and sketch ceiling. First of all, go to this ceiling and select appropriate for you. Give it the offset height. I'll use sketch ceiling. In the same way that we have created the floor, we have this pick wall tool. We'll use that, and we'll use all these walls as boundaries. So I'll pick them up. After done, click on this one, and as you can see, our ceiling is created. To confirm that, go to default 3D view, and here it is. Now, as you know, in our previous tutorial, we didn't have this ceiling. Now we have this ceiling, and I have added a little door as well. So this is how our building actually looks like, with ceiling, floor, and a door. So this is a structure of any go down that you want to create, and we'll save the file. This was the tutorial upon adding ceilings to your models in Autodesk Revit. Thank you.